Now in this tutorial I will show you HTML text formatting. Okay, some important and generally you need to use often. Okay, you need to use again and again some this text formatting code or text of HTML. So let's go. First, bold. Our previous code in our project folder, edit with Notepad++, launch into suppose Firefox. This is a previous tutorial code. I write it here. Just here view and use portrait. Okay. Just use alignment, some space. Just correct it. Refresh your browser, you can see the same. Now, first use bold. Suppose web design, you want to bold it. Okay. B and B close. Here you can see above all HTML tags are inline element. Okay. B is strong, I, EM, etc. all are inline element. Okay. First, text bold. You can see we have write in our HTML text web design for bold text. Okay. Refresh your browser, you can see web design is bold. Okay. Bold. Just bold it. The next is strong. Strong means important text. Okay. Here just write strong, STRO, and strong. Just write strong. Refresh your browser, you can see here the bold, and refresh your browser, you can see the same results, strong and bold, but difference between the SEO. When you write the strong text, the search engine bot, search engine crawl or bot, it will gives the more priority this word into between the paragraph. Okay. When scrolling this article, the search engine bot, this is for search engine optimization or SEO friendly. Okay. If you want to highlight some text or word into Google search engine or any search engine, just use strong. Or if you don't want to highlight, just use bold. Okay. In our browser, we can see bold and strong in the same results, but internally it will difference for SEO. Okay, I hope you understand. The third is I for italic text. I and use I. Okay. Refresh your browser to see the change. You can see the web design text is italic format. It's very simple. I hope you already know. EM, emphasized text. Okay. Just write EM. Refresh your browser, you can see the same. The text of I and EM the same, but here the same difference between as B and bold is strong. It is the SEO friendly. Okay. When you need to the just italic text, use I. Okay. But when you need to highlight into the search engine, just use EM, emphasized. Okay. It will more given priority from the search engine bot. Okay. And third, mark. When you want to mark some text, suppose you want to mark web design into from this paragraph text. So refresh your browser, you can see it will marked. You can see it marked. Background is yellow color, but text is normal. It's marked. The same. If you need to some text marked into the paragraph, just use marked tag. Okay. Then is small. Here you can use, suppose the general text, suppose remove it. Suppose development, you want to mark small it. Okay. Just use refresh your browser. You can see development. This text is small from other text. Okay. But we can see in the same tag, but when you use the small tag, this text or this word is small from other text. Okay. You can also more understand easily if you write it style inline CSS style. Suppose font size 24 pixel. Just to refresh. I hope you can see that development text is small, but other text is 24. So I hope you understand. The next is del. Del means deleted text. Okay. Here you can use suppose del, deleted text. If you want to some deleted text, just use del. You can also more easily understand that. Just remove it. Here you can write, just to remove the style. Here you can write suppose $100. Okay, previous price $100, but now suppose $95. You have gave a discount. Okay, just use BR break. I have write it, just show you the example. First refresh to see the change. You can see previous price is $100 and but now $95. But you want to show this the cross. This is the e-commerce site special use del and del. Refresh your browser. You can see $100 is crossed. As a result, your visitor will easily understand that $100 is previous value that crossed and now value is 95. And for this specially used this tag. Okay, del. Now ins. Ins mean inserted tag. Just ins. Right here ins. Refresh your browser. You can see it's as like as a React underline text. Okay, and next the sub and sup. Okay, subscript and superscript. Okay, suppose remove this text. Suppose here just write sine 10 to the power 5. Suppose you want to write, refresh fast. You can see sine 105, but you want to do 5 is top of 10. I mean 10 to the power 5 according to you. So just write here into 5 superscript sup sup. Just refresh. You can see 10 is 5 is up of 10. Now sine 10 to the power 5. etc. You can write text or image etc. Anywhere you can use. I have just here to example that how to write. But when you write here subscript sub. As you can see that 5 is the below, okay, of 10. This is the difference of sub and superscript. Also you can write here I am developer PHP, suppose of PHP. You can see that PHP is below. If you write here sup superscript, you can see PHP is top. Okay, I hope you understand HTML text formatting. These are important text formatting tags that you need to use often again and again. Okay, so practice.